Hi, my name is Patrick with Poudre Fire Authority here in Fort Collins with a few quick tips on smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms. Did you realize that each alarm has its own distinct sound? A smoke alarm has 3 beeps. While a carbon monoxide alarm has 4 beeps. If at any time you are in a building and an alarm activates, we urge you to evacuate and call 911. Additionally, if your alarm's battery is low, it will chirp approximately every 15 to 30 seconds to let you know. If you have any questions regarding alarms or other fire safety issues, please call 970-416-2891. Thanks and stay safe.